In this video today, we are going to walk you through on how to create your first product on SellPass, how to manage your product, how to delete your product, and do a lot of other things concerning your product. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to click on login to be inside my account. And once I'm here, I'll put my email address and password. Make sure that is correct. And if at all you have forgotten your password, make sure you click on forgot password to reset your password. For now, I still know and have my password. I'll click on sign in. So I click on sign in. I'm going to be inside my user creator dashboard. So if you want to create a product, you need to be in your creator dashboard. You don't need to be in your user or affiliate. I'll click on product. Then I'm going to click on manage product or click on create product. Since I don't have any product, which if I click on this manage product, it's going to show me 0. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create product. Then from here, I'll select the type of product I want to create. Do I want to create a physical product, which is this one? Do I want to create a digital product, which is this one? Do I want to create an online course? This is one. Or do I want to create a service, event ticket, or membership? Which one do I want to create? Now, in this video, we are going to walk you through on how to create your digital product. Then it's the same thing, it's the same step, just that most of these features here, most of the product types has its own features. For example, there are things that are needed for you to create a physical product, which is the address bar, delivery services, and kg and weight of the product, and every single thing, and the units of the product. But for digital product, it does not work that way. So all these things has their own separate interfaces. So now I'm going to click on digital product and click on get started. Once I'm inside this place, what I'm going to do is very simple. It's not going to be difficult, which I'm going to come here and click on add product name. So the product name I'm going to add here, I'll just name it something that I think is something that I can actually remember or sell. So click on this place. I'm going to just select the SellPass product. Then you select the category you want. Here I'm going to select digital product. Then the currency here, we'll just put in either 1,000 naira. Then I'll come to the featured image of the product. I'll click on featured image. Then I'll select an image of the product that I want to put in here. Then I'll come here. This is where I put in the description. So if I want to format my description, I'll put it inside that one. So if I want to just make it to the normal, I'll put it inside this place. I just say this is my product description. Please make sure that inside this place you have the full details of this product you are creating. This will enable customers to buy your product because of the things you have here. So without wasting time, after doing everything here, you can still add up every other thing inside your dashboard, inside the product description, like images by clicking here to add image, or doing a lot of other things inside the description by designing the text, making it to be bold or making it to be short. Anyhow you want to make it, you can just go ahead and design your product description. The next one is the tags. Do you have the tags for your product? For example, on this one, I think I have one. I'll click on this place. Then product files. Do you want to give people access to a file? Now, to me, I believe that I can give people access to my file. So I click on the product access. This is a PDF here. Then do I want to give people access to an external file? For example, if somebody buys my product, this is where my buyers are going to be directed to. Or I want them to be added somewhere. I'll put in an address. Then from this part, I'll have the settings. Then I want it to be published immediately. I don't want them to be. Now, the most important thing here is that you see we have list on affiliate marketplace. So once you click on list on affiliate marketplace, once somebody creates this product or you create a product and you click on list on affiliate marketplace, you need to add the percentage of what affiliates are going to use or promote this product. So it is best if you are putting on this to make it available on to affiliates. Come back here. I'll put my commission to be 20% of 1,000. Then do we have anything like custom CTA, which means custom call to action button? I will leave it as buy now or get access or download now or learn more. just leave it as buy now. Then do I have anything in marketing tools like Facebook Pixel or Google Pixel? Anyone you have, you can add it here so that you can easily track your product. So once you have done that, you are good to go. You click on create product. I think I've done. Then my photo is going to be created automatically. And this is it here. Now the best part of this thing is that once you create your product, automatically you have access to product URL. Both of them are the same thing. So this one is the long one. This one is the short one. And this is your product description here. So this place is where you see your product details. You see the button to delete. You see the button to unpublish. You see how many views you're getting. You see the orders. You see the product reviews. You see the average ratings. And you see the analytics overview of this particular product I just created right now. This is where you see how many orders you have generated in the last 7 days. And this month, total revenue, total sales, conversion rate. So if you are not getting some views on your product, that means that product needs to be updated. So with that being said, the next I'm going to show you is how to see this product by clicking on view product. If I click on edit product, it's going to take me back to where I can edit this product. The steps are very, very simple. So once you click on edit, you can just add some certain things and edit the product. And I believe that helps. And now let me just show you the product page. This is the product I just created right now. You can see it is very, very simple. If I want to buy this product, what should I do? I'll click on buy now. This is the checkout page. So come back here, you have the order summary. If you have like anything like coupon, you can give people coupon and they apply coupon. And again, we have the details of the product here. You have the customer details, the online store, you have the phone number section. So right here, I'm just put any single number here. Then I'm going to come back here. I'll select the payment option that I want to make payments to. This your customers will also do these things. It is very, very simple. So if your customers want to buy maybe through they are in Nigeria, they can select the country they are in. If they are in the United States, they will select the United States, and automatically the Flutterwave will be available for them to make payment in United States dollars. So I click on agree to the terms and conditions. This is only when you can be able to make a payment, or your customer can be able to make a payment of your product. If I select any other country, let's say I want to select Ghana or Kenya, I still have this particular place. But if I select Nigeria, I'll have both Paystack and Flutterwave. If I select Canada, I'll have only Flutterwave. One more last thing here I need to show you is how the product management page looks like. So I'll click on manage products, and this is here. So we have our view, you have our edit, you have our delete button, and this is where you see total published product is here, and publish is 1, no draft, total revenue is 0 because you have not started generating money. And we have the product columns here. We have the product name, product description, category, profile, price, status, sell 0, created also yeah, and we have the action buttons. We have the these places you can use to do many things, and I believe that this helps. In the next video, we are going to look into how to create product bundles and also exactly how those things works. See you in the next video.